How to add Instagram highlights without a story. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to add Instagram highlights without a story. First, navigate to the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up your account on Instagram. Then tap on the profile icon to reach your Instagram profile. After that, go to the three bars and select the Settings and Activity option. Now find and tap on the Hide Story and Live option. Here, tick all the accounts and hit the Done option. Next, reach the home page and go to the Story area. Select any media from your gallery and tap on the arrow icon. Then hit the Share button and it will show you the Add to Highlights option. Tap on it and give the name of the new highlight. In this way, you'll be able to add Instagram highlights without a story. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.